Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really good. My name is Shantini and I create videos on beauty, travel and lifestyle. So today is a review day and I am going to review the Auli Let It Glow Deep Facial Massage Cream. But before that, I'm going to prep my skin with some aloe vera gel. This is from Tony Moly and as you can see, this is a clear aloe vera gel. This has very mild fragrance and absolutely no color. I'm going to apply this on my full face and let it sit for a while. I kind of believe that it helps clean my skin way better than when I am bare skinned. So I'll let it sit for a while and then apply the massage cream. My skin has absorbed what it has to. I let it settle in for like 10 minutes or so. And now I really feel that my skin is ready for Ollie. So this facial massage cream comes in a carton pack and then in a tub. The texture is thick and creamy and has granules in it that make it work like a scrub. Let's take a look at the ingredients and the claims this product makes. This facial cream gives intense protection against irritants while still allowing the skin to breathe. It restores your skin's natural oil and pH and eases any form of allergies. It also increases blood flow onto your skin to reduce pimples, rashes, allergies, aging, and pigmentation. It is non drying, it retains moisture and prevents toxins from entering. The directions are to apply onto your skin, massage it evenly, and wash off in a circular motion post 20 minutes of application. For the ingredients, there's turmeric, sandalwood oil, camphor, walnut scrub, rubiaceae herb, beeswax, and natural borax. The main active ingredient in turmeric is curcumin, which is anti-inflammatory and helps with acne marks and glowing skin with numerous other benefits. Sandalwood oil's key ingredient is alpha santalol, which is antimicrobial, which helps with acne, wrinkles, and evens out skin tone. Camphor helps with skin rashes and relieves skin of burning sensations. Talking about the scrub particles in this one are quite harsh, and walnut scrub in particular can disrupt the pH balance and get your skin to tear on microscopic levels. I personally believe that the scrub particles could have been finer. Rubiaceae herb helps with skin inflammation and irritation as well. Beeswax is a natural ingredient that keeps your skin hydrated and is rich in vitamin A. Natural borax is the last ingredient in the list, so I'm guessing that the amount used in this product is less compared to the other ingredients. Borax helps to remove excess oil and dead cells from the skin. Honestly, I got hold of the product from Auli after I watched the episode on Shark Tank and was really excited to try it out. Now, talking about my experience with the product, this is a mild fragrance to it, which I'm not a very big fan of. The texture, however, feels really good on the skin, and as an after effect, my skin does feel hydrated and glowy. I will be going ahead with the normal serum and sunscreen routine after I'm done with using this product in the video. I use it thrice a week as directed in the carton package, and it works well for me. I also think that a spatula to scoop out the product from the tub would be a great addition to the package itself. Overall, the packaging is quite sturdy and travel friendly, so that's a plus. I'm definitely going to get hold of other products from Ollie Lifestyle. To complete the routine, I have set my skin with a serum. I'm also massaging my face with a jade roller, so that will help me get rid of all the puffiness in my face. And lastly, I'm going to end it up with a sunscreen. You can see the final result for yourself. My skin looks glowy and comparatively smoother. I would love this base for doing my makeup. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, see you in the next one. Bye.